Are we doing it inside or outside?
We're doing it right here. Oh, it's gonna be really, really light in here.
Yeah, that's all I got.
All right. This is gonna be kind of tough in here with this lighting.
Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be doing spark plugs on the E39.
Dude, you want to know what's dope? While you're doing that, this has a surge protector and this doesn't, so.
Alright, what are you doing?
I'm just putting this light up because your garage is a fucking cave.
Let's put an outline on the ceiling.
$1,000 so that falls on our heads.
Anticipating that we don't get crushed.
No, it just looks like you're going to heaven. But
Man, why don't you tell us about this sweet ass air intake?
yeah, I got this on Amazon for $30, and every other air intake for the 530i was like $300.
Dude, you know what's dope? We have to change this light again because your engine bay is dark black right now.
Oh, the battery's disconnected.
So we'll just push it. Alright, that's probably good. So what the hell is the plan?
We're doing spark plugs, so I got NGK spark plugs for this car. Basically what we're going to do... No way. That almost went in the engine bay. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is just disconnect the coils and then screw off the old ones and put the new ones in.
Just have to figure out where to set up this camera because it is so dark in here. Because if I'm talking like this, it's just like I look like a... Alright, just stay there the whole time. Just stay right there the whole time. So why the hell do those have four prongs on them instead of just one?
I couldn't tell you, there's 4 different sparks, I guess.
We can just thank Germany for that?
Yeah, well, I mean, these aren't specific to German cars, but I mean, I don't think you need to gap them just due to the fact that I've looked for gappers for these things and they don't exist.
Alright, so we're just taking a chance based on the internet.
Yep.
So what, this big fat fucking thing has come up? Oh, because of this plug back here?
Yep. This is just like cabin filter, so that's all.
Have you taken it off yet?
Nope. So there's probably like a crap ton of shit in there.
Probably like a mouse and like a dead guy in it.
That's all I got. Ew. Ew, that's disgusting.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
That's probably why I'm not getting fresh air in my
That is disgusting. Let's just do one for starters so that we can show them how to take it off. Okay, so unplug it. And try to like work from up here because the light's casting down there. What, that just pulls out? So what is this, 5/8? Wait, you already took them out, you said, right?
No. What?
No?
No.
That didn't do any force at all. Dope.
Here, I get it.
Let's see that custy bitch. Nice.
You see the oil on it?
Yeah, but that why does that only have one head and the other ones have 4?
Because these are the cheapest cheap ones you can get.
Okay. Dude, good for you.
All right, I don't want to hulk it like I did with my oil pan. Let's get this coil back in. Spark plug 1. Done.
Why'd that take
20 seconds.
4 minutes?
Yeah, all right. These cars, sometimes these cars come with different coil packs. Sometimes they'll be screwed up. They'll have a plate that goes across and they'll be screwed in. But with this one, I'm not sure why, but they're not.
Why's your oil cap off? Do you not have one?
No, I do. I had to get the cover up.
Oh, okay. All right, so then I'm just gonna put this down while we just do the rest of this because it's all the same shit, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Definitely need a valve cover, gasket. It's probably what the problem is here. This is a super fast, easy process.
Well, I've been here for what, 35 minutes and we're already done?
No, it's just surprising for a BMW
For anything to be easy.
Yep. All right, sweet. Let's go take a look at the spark plugs. Come on. Yeah.
So we got cylinder 1 through 6 from right to left. I think 3 and 6, no, 2 and 4 were the worst. This one is disgusting.
They were all oily. I think I really needed to fix the valve cover gasket. I think that's the issue.
It's already better, yeah. Dude, you can hear this intake just... You just hear it. Dude, your ass is right in the camera.
Oh. Okay, never mind.
Alright. That's how
it sounds.
I guess that's BMW. Flash shatters?
I never drop my hood like that. Really? I always close it and then I just push it.
I always drop my hood.
That's good. I'll break it.
It's metal. It's not gonna shatter.
The latch. The lid.
Huh?
The other wheel's fine!
You should crash into this guy right here and see what he says.
You want to get out right here and I'll do a flyby?
What is this? If you keep doing that, you know that's going to be in the video.
Yeah, I know.
It's going to be in the video, you know that, right?